Hi Willy, I hope I'm not catching you at a bad time.
Not at all. I have a quickie 10 minutes to spare.
That's not going to be a problem. Where are you now?
I'm actually at Racer HQ in Singapore.
How do you get to work?
Normally I drive my classic car. I collect classic car.
Why do you do what you do?
If the products that we are developing help the world, especially during the pandemics, it's actually really benefit to the whole ecosystem.
What is your personal interest in manufacturing?
Since young, we are so poor that I have to make my own toys. So as we grew up, we make our own production, which is all produced here locally, designed here.
Can every country be self-sustainable in medical supplies?
I think that is possible, provided that you have the whole supplier base. So right now, we are also building out the supplier base. That's why I'm also the chairman of the Singapore MedTech Consortium that have about 65 SME supporting the whole ecosystem.
What is it that you do at Racer?
Over here, we do the antibody test kit and also the swab kit for the migrant worker. You can see the automated line we set up in less than 2 months, and it runs by the millions per day. And over here is the PCR test kit, disposable.
Why do companies find it hard to transform digitally?
I think it's because of the investment need to be invested. But I think with the government assist, it's actually good to go.
What is the biggest lesson you have learned at Racer?
I think people is very important. We try also to keep the older staff because they're the most experienced. It's just that we need to retrain them a little bit to cater for Factory 4.0.
How does Racer upskill your employees?
We send them for training every quarterly, and when they are back, they also have to train their colleagues.
Why should businesses upskill their workforce?
There are shortage of workers, so worker is the most important asset. And over here is high mix, low volume. So one worker may run 4 or 5 products every week. So they need to multitask, multi-train. Let me show you the second floor operation.
Can you show us some products?
Over here, we are specialized in microfluidic chip. We also do the machine. You can check cancer cell within 5 minutes. And over here, you have the PCR. We build about 5 units per month.
Can you share some tips on open innovation?
Communication is very important. A lot of projects fail because of zero communication. Next thing is culture. There are different people running the facility. You need to have good grasp of their culture, different culture.
Okay.
I'll show you the other line.
Sure. What are the products Racer produced for the pandemic?
In a short of 6 months, these are the few products that we developed for the pandemics. For instance, the rubber mask, multiple use, that low cost. Of course, the surgical mask, we have 3 lines running it for the government. And then the swab kit for the migrant worker, antibody test kit, and also the face shield.
What is a motto you live by?
You have to do it right the first time.
What do you envision for Racer in 5 years?
We are now developing our own products, patent it, so that we can white label to the key customer. We want to put Singapore name in the market.
That's all the questions I have today. Thank you, Willy.
Okay, bye. Ciao. Sayonara.
Goodbye.